Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making teriyaki salmon. You will need 3 salmon steaks, 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of water. Combine your 1 1/2 tablespoons of water with your cornstarch, then mix well. Now set it aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your cast iron skillet to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add the honey and garlic, then mix until your honey has dissolved. Pour in the soy sauce, then add your brown sugar and mix until your sugar has dissolved. Add the sesame seeds and water, mix well, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Now add your ginger. Pour in the cornstarch slurry, then mix well. Now add the salmon to the pan and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Preheat your oven using the broil setting. Transfer it to the oven and broil for 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.